Hi, I'm Chris with Flexaust. Today we're going to talk about our Flexaust product family. It is a polyurethane wire reinforced product family that ranges from an extra light duty wall thickness to a very heavy duty wall thickness. This product family is utilized in applications that you need more abrasion resistance versus a TPR product. Some applications you may see them in the very heavy duty might be wood chips or metal scrap vacuuming, and then our light duty you may see oil mist. Our medium duty we're able to make in metric sizes, which makes it our most versatile product line. In addition, it's manufactured with FDA acceptable materials. For connecting our Flexaust product family, we recommend utilizing our bridge clamp. We also have the aluminum connectors, latch locks, and J-locks. In addition, we can manufacture with factory installed soft cuffs to ease the installation process. If you have any questions or would like to request a quote, please visit our website at flexaust.com. Thanks for watching.